reason why people don't like a high maintenance person is because they can't handle a high maintenance person. We live in a society where everyone thinks that high maintenance is this like negative thing. There's always this like negative connotation of, oh, you're bougie, oh, you do too much, oh, you have too much. And it's kind of seen as if it's like this bad thing to be high maintenance. And I just want you to know that it's not. High maintenance is actually a reflection of self-respect. High maintenance is a reflection of self-love. A lot of people think that when you pour into yourself and when you're loving yourself, you think that you're better than other people. No, I don't think I'm better than other people. I just know that I'm that girl. I just know that I'm that guy. And when you have that mindset and you carry yourself in that way and you take care of yourself and you love into yourself and you pour into yourself, people are going to say you're high maintenance. But high maintenance is just you physically reflecting the love that you have for yourself. There's nothing wrong with being high maintenance. If anything, I think everyone should be high maintenance. When you actually value yourself and respect yourself and love yourself, you're going to pour all of your time, all of your energy into who you are, into what you love. Because where else would your energy go? It's not going to go to some dusty. It's not going to go to someone who doesn't value you, someone who doesn't appreciate you. It's going to go into you because that's where it should go. I feel like every single day I'm learning to love myself more and more. And that's one thing that I really admire about myself is I'm always committed to growing. I'm always committed to bettering myself. And the more that I do that, the more work I put into myself, the more that I love myself, the more that I value myself, the more that I want to take care of myself. And so sometimes people, they'll interact with me, they'll meet me, and they think that I'm stuck up, or they think that I'm high maintenance, or they think I'm bougie. And that's fine. They can think what they want to think. But the reason why I come off high maintenance is because I know the work that I put in myself. When you are high maintenance, it means that you're putting in work into yourself. You are bettering yourself. That is something most people are not willing to do. Most people want to pour into everyone else. Most people want to love on everyone else, give their generosity, give their kindness to other people, and they don't want to give it to themselves. Why? Because of low self-worth, low self-esteem. So oftentimes when you meet people who are like, oh no, I want a low maintenance person, I want somebody that is easygoing, what they mean is they want someone they can easily manipulate. When you have a high maintenance, when you take care of yourself and value yourself, people can't easily manipulate you because you put in a lot of work into yourself emotionally, mentally, physically, financially. No one is going to deter you from the work that you have put into yourself. And so when people are saying, oh, I want someone low maintenance, I want someone who's a 4 or a 5, yeah, the reason why you want that is because you know that you can probably more easily control that type of person. That person is probably very desperate. That person has low self-worth. So you can get away with a lot more with that kind of person. But when someone values themselves and are high maintenance and take care of themselves, and you can tell when someone takes care of themselves, you can tell when someone's high maintenance. You don't want to deal with that person because you know that you can't walk all over them. You know that in order to be with that person, in order to date that person, in order to be friends with that person, you have to be on their level. And most people are not willing to put in that work to be of that level, to be of that high maintenance level. See, for me, I love taking care of myself. I love doing my nails. I love smelling good. I love having nice skin. I love doing my skincare routines. I love having my hair done. I love doing my makeup. I love doing those things. But I don't care how I'm perceived because I know the work that I've put in myself. I know the things that I have overcame to become the woman that I am today. And I am proud of her. And so absolutely, I'm going to show her off. So whenever someone says that you're high maintenance or you're bougie, take it as a compliment, because what that person is basically saying is that they cannot reach your level. They cannot keep up with you. And who wants to deal with people that can't keep up with them? I don't. Oh, you can't keep up with me? Why am I going to waste my time on you? You can't keep up with my level of confidence. You can't keep up with my level of ambition. Why would I want you in my life? I want other ambitious people in my life. I want other confident people in my life. If you can't reach me where I'm at, what's the point of you being in my life? Because all you're going to do is hold me back. All you're going to do is drag me down. And I've been down before, and I don't plan on going back there anytime soon or ever again if I can. I've overcame a lot. And so therefore, I'm going to keep pushing forward. I'm not going to go back. Being high maintenance is a beautiful thing. Being high maintenance is self-respect. Being high maintenance is the epitome of self-love. When you love yourself unconditionally and you know the things that you've been through, the amazing person that you are today, yeah, you're not gonna settle. And you're not gonna care if people say you're high maintenance or bougie. Who cares? Because if anything, those people just wish they had the time to take care of themselves. Those people just wish that they made the decision and made the choice to pour into themselves and love themselves. Because the thing is, when I see other high maintenance people, they're not belittling me. They're not throwing shade at me. They're not being passive aggressive. The ones who are throwing shade, the ones that are being passive aggressive, don't love themselves. Those people don't take care of themselves, and it's obvious in their energy. It's obvious in how they carry themselves. Well, I don't take it personally when people try to be condescending towards me. I don't take it personally because at the end of the day, they are just reflecting and projecting who they are. And you're just showing me and telling me you're not on the same mindset. You're pouring energy into things that don't even matter. You're pouring so much energy into hating on somebody that you barely even know, when you could be using that exact energy and time that you put hating on somebody, you could have put that into yourself. High maintenance people don't have time to hate. High maintenance people love themselves. High maintenance people are confident. Confident people don't have time to be hating on other people. High maintenance people are so high maintenance. They're so focused on themselves and focused on their goals. They don't have time for other people. They don't have time for drama. They don't have time for mess. They are pouring into themselves because that's what matters. High maintenance is self-respect. If you truly genuinely love yourself, you would pour so much time and energy into who you are as a person. High maintenance is a gift. High maintenance is beautiful. So embrace being high maintenance. Embrace being extra. Embrace being different. Everyone else around you doesn't want to dress nice and smell good and put on makeup or get their hair done, then okay, so be it. You stand out, you be different. You want to go to the barbershop every 2 weeks, you want to make sure you got that lineup, do it. You want to make sure you got the nicest sneakers, the nicest clothes, you got good hygiene. You take care of yourself because you know that you are that guy, or you want to take care of yourself because you know that you're that girl. No one knows your life better than you do. So who has the right to sit there and judge you for you taking care of yourself, for you putting yourself first? If somebody wants to judge you for that, they can kick rocks. Because the only reason why they're hating is because they wish that they had that level of self-love. When you truly love yourself, you're going to pour all your time and energy into yourself. High maintenance is self-love. High maintenance is self-respect. Embrace it. It's a superpower.